Hi guys, my name's Hiba and today I wanted to film a video kind of telling you a bit about my business Trinket Treasures. I want to apologise in advance. I'm filming this from my bedroom and the neighbours are renovating at the moment. With everything that's going on, I think a lot of people are doing their gardens and homes up, so there might be some background noise. Anyway, without further ado, I will explain a little bit about the box. So Trinket Treasures is a business that was founded by me and my best friend Tanya. We realised that there's lots of people who have the same mutual interest as us with healing crystals, all things astrological and magical. I would always ring up Tanya and be like, oh my gosh, did you see Venus? And kind of talk about all the different planets and the planetary happenings of every month. And so really this box was focused around how the universe really kind of affects us and our lifestyles, and just kind of a celebration of all that the world has to offer. So we kind of wanted to do this box, and inside we kind of wanted it to be the perfect balance of information and just a monthly treat, because that's our intention. It's about uplifting people's moods and just, I don't know, like just surrounding around positivity and community. And so I want to do an unboxing today, which I feel like is well overdue, and I want to show you guys what you can kind of expect in this box. Obviously if you're a subscriber then you already kind of know what to expect, but if you haven't subscribed with Trinket Treasures and you're interested in what we do and what it's about, then here you go. So I'm going to start by explaining that you receive the box like this, and it's got our beautiful message here that says, welcome to your monthly astrological self-care package. And when you open it, so because this is, you know, one of the boxes that hasn't been packed and posted fully yet, it looks a little bit different. So usually we have a sticker on it. I didn't really want to waste a sticker for this video because it's bad for the environment to just like waste things unnecessarily. So usually that sticker will be sealed and this box will be filled with shred so that it's kind of just flat like that. And we always have a message in here. So this says self-love. This is the, what month are we in now? This is the May box, self-love. So because we're in the, many of us are doing lockdown and the quarantine at the moment, I wanted us to really focus on just loving ourselves. I found that that's really important. And so this says, we can always do with an extra reminder to love ourselves. Sometimes we live so unconsciously that we go about our days not even thinking to show ourselves acknowledgement and appreciation. There are times in our lives where we can be so hard on ourselves. Wherever you are at in life, allow yourself to feel however you want to feel, but at least let this month's box be an excuse to appreciate and treat yourself. Appreciate and treat yourself a little. That's what it says. So then when you open it, you will find, oh, and also we have cute little star confetti this month, and every month we have something different. So we might have a dried flower of some sorts, and usually if we have things like this, they've been donated. So I've had a lot of businesses from my past, and I also have a lot of gifting supplies from different businesses and projects I worked on, and because I've been self-employed most of my life pretty much. So a lot of these things are not things that I've just gone and like purchased. We're trying to be a little bit more conscious of the environment, so if things can be reused, then they will be. So this was just a box of stars that I had in my office that would otherwise have not been appreciated. So it's really nice I had that as the extra touch. And then you usually get like all the shred inside, but this is the example box, so I don't have the shred in it. So you get a packing list, okay? So this has like a different artwork, and to tie into the self-care, self-love kind of vibe, mixed with the astrological, we've obviously got our beautiful moon here, and it says self-love May, and then we always have a quote at the back. So this quote says, how you love yourself is how you teach others to love you. And that's by Rupi Kaur. So then when you open it, you've got the whole packing list, and then so this says this is a This box is a reminder to treat yourself in order to be the best version of yourself, to be the best you can be for others, and to be fully prepared for your life's adventures. It is important for us to stop sometimes, give ourselves some love, so that we can face life with a stronger mental foundation. So then that's the items, and yeah, so you always get a pretty artwork, pretty quote, bit more information all in here about each item and how you can use them. So first up we have got this moon mug. Always nice to have some cute, quirky, fun bits in, because that's what life's about. Just a bit of fun, you know? So perfect moon mug, perfect size, just drinking your teas and your hot chocolates. I just think it's really, really adorable, and I loved this when I saw it. I just had to have it in the box. And then we have got, I always give like a little tea or some sort of tidbit. So you just get a cute little berry tea in there as well as an add-on. So it's not even on the packing list, that's just literally an add-on. And then you get this yummy Roundup chocolate. This is wrapped with tissue, and I had to do this because we post our boxes all around the world, so I get so nervous about it like melting or something. But I think this won't melt because it's marshmallow and cookie. But just to be careful, I kind of added tissue, but that is an actual like fancy wagon wheel chocolate. So it's by an independent company. We try and make sure that we support as many independent companies as possible. It's really important to just kind of help all of the independent businesses, all of the small businesses succeed. And so that is, I think that lifts the energy of the box as well, just having other independent companies involved. So this looks super yummy and it's super chunky, and can you imagine just having like a nice tea or coffee and just biting into that with your new mug? So that was the intention with that. And then we have, what is next on the list? Let's go for bath salts. So these bath salts basically are hand infused with many different oils, really good quality oils, quite a generous quantity, and it's got all these different dried flowers in it. We've got cornflower, white rose petals, red rose petals, pink rose petals, daisies. So you have all the healing properties of all the different flowers infused in your package. And this actually also comes with information on the properties of the different flowers and stuff. And it comes with 2 quartz crystals. I don't really want to open this because I'm actually going to be selling this, but there's 2 beautiful quartz points in there. So that's lovely. You always get, you always get a healing crystal. And they're all different. I genuinely believe that your crystal chooses you. So dependent on what colour you get or what shape you get, I feel like that's meant for you. And so this is fluorite for this month, and it shines so beautifully in the light. Like, I just think that every fluorite crystal has its own different properties. Like this one's got a lot of greens and an undertone of teal, and then like pops of white and clear, and tiny bluey undertones. So that's really cool. And there's actually some information here, and it says what colour your crystal is, like what the kind of healing properties of that colour is. So it says fluorite comes in many different colours. Green heals the heart chakra, clarity and direction. Purple is for purification and alignment. Yellow is for manifestation and prosperity. Clear/white is it amplifies your intuition. So then you have a mantra. I remain calm and able to see my life with mental clarity. We have a lot of mantras, we have a lot of quotes, we have a lot of information based on what we really feel like you guys can focus on during the month. And the thing I love about that is it really does create a sense of community, and all of us can do this together, and all of us can focus on that subject matter at the same time together. So I really like that. So there's information on your crystals here, and you can cut them out and you can stick them in your journal or in a cute little crystal card file. And then the next crystal is Pinolith. I really don't know how to pronounce this, to be honest with you, but it's a beautiful crystal. It's got that marbly effect. See? So beautiful. And it says that this crystal is soothing, optimism and calm. So this is how it looks. Feel a deeper connection with oneself. Helps to look ahead to new beginnings. Strengthens connection to Mother Earth. And the mantra is, I am conscious to all the beauty that surrounds me. So that's that. Next up we have, so we have art from an independent artist. This is the beautiful art from Teacake Heart. She custom printed this for us. This is actual custom sizing and she signed it as well, so that's pretty amazing. And it's also once again supporting an independent artist, which is so important for us. And even the cute business card she gives is art. So that's like a little mini art. So you can literally, let's see, let me try and focus, there you go. You can literally stick that on your wall. And it's so beautiful. So you have all these extra little touches, which I absolutely love. And then we have got this self-love workbook. And this is a full book, literally based around this box, targeted to help our subscribers in a specific way. It is a completely unique book made for our subscribers. And it's limited edition. There are only a few of these made. I think there's about 10 left that are going to go on our Etsy shop, because we have an Etsy shop where we sell past items. The benefits of getting the boxes is obviously you get all these items for much cheaper. Yeah, so we only have a few of these that are going to go on our Etsy shop, but they're pretty limited edition. And so it says, it's got like, starts with a quote. Don't let a bad day make you think you have a bad life. And then we've got the self-love workbook and all the information, so that's what it says. And then you've got the gratitude jar where you can draw, colour, stick, anything. And it's just all journal pages. You've got a colouring in page here. So this is made with so much love, especially for our subscribers, and that is like how much we appreciate our subscribers. It's really, really kind of, we really heavily focus on the well-being of you guys and the community and just doing the best we can do for these boxes, really. There's so much love behind that, and we want everyone to know how special they are, because we just want them acknowledged. Just, it's so lovely to have this community. So this is a doodles and notes page, and it's cute lilac colour, and if you're just feeling inspired but you don't have a space in the rest of the book to write something down, then you can write it in the back. And as you can see, the artwork's really adorable. It's kind of like a new age celestial design, completely designed by me actually. I've designed this from front to back. And yeah, so that's that. And that is the box. That is it, you guys. So you've got your self-love workbook, you get the big bag of bath salts with 2 quartz crystals inside there, and then you've got your lovely mug, which you can use every day for your cozy warm drinks, and you also get your yummy chocolate to have with your drinks, and then you've got your yummy tea, your blackcurrant berry tea, and you've got your nice raw rough fluorite crystal, and then you've got your pinolith tumblestone, and then you've got your art. In addition to all of this, you also have the cute little quotes, all the little bits of information. This packing list, you can cut it up, you can cut the quote up and stick that on your wall or stick it in your journal. You can cut out the pretty moons and any of the pretty pictures and reuse that. You've got your crystal cards, which you can also glue into your journal or you can put in your crystal file, and just cute little bits. You can even use your little star confetti and sprinkle that onto your altar or the space where you have your crystals, and everything's just really thought out so you can kind of reuse it. So that's it, guys. I really hope that everyone who is interested in taking a peek inside our boxes got more of an idea, and I just want to send so much love to you all, and send so much love to our subscribers and everyone who supports us. I'm so excited to grow this community and just excited to create more fun and interesting boxes. So Thank you, sending you all so much love, and I'm sure I'll be back soon. Bye!